Alright guys, we got a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. It's coming in because it's too loud, but we're gonna let you guys hear it. It has a secondary cat removed, the mid resonator, and then it's got an aftermarket rear muffler with dual tips. So this is it before we make it quiet. There's sound decibels. At 97. One more time. At 98.5.
So this is one of our dealer friends' cars right here. It's a Jetta SEL TSI. As you guys can see, it's got a Borla muffler on the back, single in, dual out. And then they did a resonator delete on it right there. And then they also did a secondary cat delete right there. And then it's got a, I don't know if that's a performance cat or not. It might be a factory cat, I'm not sure. Right off the turbo, as you guys can see there. We let you guys hear what it sounded before with this whole setup, but the dealer can't sell it like that. It's too loud. So we're gonna put them a secondary cat back on it, a high flow, and we're gonna put them a glass pack right there. If you guys ever wondered what the glass packs look like, that's what they look like. Bullet style AP glass pack. They got ridges in there, the air travels through there, hits into those holes, as you guys can see right there, and dissipates the drone and sound, makes it a lot quieter. Okay, so we're gonna install that and a secondary high flow cat right there where they cut it off, and see how much of a difference in sound it makes. Hopefully it'll make it quiet enough for them to sell it. He wants a little bit of performance, but not as loud as it is now. So stay tuned guys, we're gonna let you guys hear it after. All right guys, so we let you hear what it sounded like before with just the Borla dual muffler out the back, secondary cat delete and no glass pack or resonator. So let me show you guys what we did to make it a little bit quieter. Hopefully he'll be happy with it and we don't have to add more to it. But there's the high flow cat right there, and then there's the glass pack that we put on. An AP glass pack, we'll have a link for it. It's 12 inches long. And then the pipe stays the same, everything else stays the same out the back. And there's the Borla muffler out the back, the dual Borla muffler right there, dual tip. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna let you tone to it now. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. Right at 97 again. So 105 when it peaks. See if he likes it. It's not too loud, it's just got a little performance to it now. Tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here's sound decibels. Right at 97 again. So 105 when it peaks.